What is going on, my individuals? Dre here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today's video is brought to you by Manscaped.com. As most of you know, Manscaped is a brand that I'm a huge advocate of, and I've been using them for years. So this ain't just some little brand that I'm jumping on the bandwagon with here, but hey, I've been using their products religiously over the last few years, and I use them for pretty much all my grooming and hygiene essentials. But hey, for today, specifically for this video, I'm gonna be discussing the new, we need a little drum roll here. Let's get a little drum roll. Here we go. All right, that's a little too much. The new Lawn Mower 4.0 by Manscaped, which just launched, and man, has this brand just come a long way. I mean, I'm an OG, bro. Like, I've been using these products way before the brand was what it is today, which now is this huge mega powerhouse brand. But anyways, Manscaped actually sent me out this new Lawnmower 4.0 about a month or so ago, just for me to kind of try out myself, to test out, and to analyze all the new upgrades and special features. So with that said, let's go ahead and just dive right into the craftsmanship and all the little intricacies of this sucker. Now, the quality has completely catapulted to a whole new level compared to its previous version, the Lawn Mower 3.0. As with all Manscaped products, this product is integrated with intelligent functionality, providing a very comfortable grooming experience. As you can see, this bad boy is just an absolute gem, just a beauty to look at and to hold. It's got that two-toned black finish and hot foil stamped logo. As always, the Lawn Mower 4.0 features ceramic blades with SkinSafe Technology to help reduce nicks and cuts. It's waterproof and cordless, so you can take it in the shower, which ultimately just makes things so much more easier to clean up. It also has a high-powered LED spotlight, which definitely comes in handy when it comes to reaching those hard to see, hard to reach areas. And now, comparing it to its predecessor, the 3.0, they both are around the same weight. At first, I couldn't really tell which one was lighter, and so I did actually compare both on a scale, and the new 4.0 is about 0.30 ounces heavier, which really isn't nothing. It does have advanced technology in it, so that could explain the slight added weight. However, comparing sizes, as you can see here, the 4.0 is altogether condensed and slightly smaller. It has both a glossy and matte finish, opposed to the 3.0, which is strictly just all matte. And it also provides a Let's Get Mowing user guide for basic instructions on how to make it work to the best of its abilities. So all in all, Manscaped has obviously improved on its triumphs while sticking to its dogma and what makes it work so great. Now, some other key features which it includes is a wireless charging system, and the trick level power status indicator LEDs on the front will light up to show your battery life, and when it's fully charged, you will get up to 90 minutes of use. And some other cool added features include a multi-function on and off switch that can engage a new travel lock feature. So when the trimmer is off, just click the on button 3 times fast and you'll be notified via LED light that it's locked for safe travel. I mean, because the last thing you would want is to set down your traveling bag with your buzzer inside and accidentally, start going off, buzzing, people thinking you got some sort of little weird sexy toy in there or something. So this is a really dope feature that I really like, and it also ensures that your battery won't get drained if your on and off button accidentally gets switched on inside your bag. The Lawn Mower 4.0 also allows you to customize your preferred hair length with different guard options. This way you can create your own little wonderland down there. For example, my wife actually kind of likes a little scruff down there. So hey, I just snap this little bad boy on right there, and this allows me to keep everything nice and trimmed while still having that kind of masculine look how she likes. Now, when purchasing your Lawn Mower 4.0, you'll also receive a little cleaning brush to keep the blade fresh and the trimming teeth all cleaned up. The SkinSafe blades are replaceable as always. Just snap out the old one and click in the new. And check this out, when you choose the Peak Hygiene plan upon ordering at Manscaped.com, you'll also receive replacement blades sent directly to your door so you never run out. You'll also have the power to receive any products that you like in the Peak Hygiene plan. Like I mentioned earlier, Manscaped has all different kinds of grooming and hygiene products. Of course, the ball deodorant and ball toner are some of my favorites. The Weed Whacker definitely comes in handy every few weeks or so, as well as the Shears 2.0, which, hey, I use this sucker week in and week out. I definitely think a woman appreciates a man with some nice trimmed up and cleaned up fingernails. They also offer over 60 product combinations at the lowest prices, so you can effortlessly enjoy the best of Manscaped delivered directly to your house. You'll also get a platinum warranty with your peak hygiene plan, so say something breaks, say your trimmer breaks, it's completely covered, so they'll send you out a new one for free. So all in all, Manscaped's got you covered from head to toe and everything in between. I mean, hey, your Johnny Longschlong is, as a man, is one of your most prized possessions. I mean, right? So, hey, I know, at least for me, whenever I keep my one-eyed muscle just looking on point, it definitely boosts that confidence, especially in the bedroom. Especially in the bedroom. See, when you're able to provide your girl with a nice, smooth ride with your nice little, pretty little pecker, hey, there's some pride in that. You know? So if you haven't jumped on the lawnmower train just yet, I highly recommend you to start with the Lawnmower 4.0. You won't be sorry. Personally, it's my favorite trimmer out there. And just to motivate all you newcomers, today we are offering all of you 20% off plus free international shipping plus 2 free gifts, which include the anti-chafing boxer briefs and the shed traveling bag, just by clicking the link that I have for you down in the description. And if you guys have any questions about Manscaped or any of these products, be sure to write a comment down below. I'll do my best to reply to them all. With that said, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up, hit the notifications button to be informed when I drop new content, and I'll see you all very soon. My name is Drexler. Peace always.